Is it normal for my HVAC system to make clicking noises?
It is very normal for your system to be making a clicking noise. You're probably hearing that from the thermostat. It's those little resistors and contacts in there telling it to turn on, turn off, depending on schedule and temperature. So if you hear a loud clicking from your thermostat, it is normal. With the more advanced systems, you get less of that, but the clicking noise is probably nothing to worry about. Tell me your clicking noise worries in the comments below, because I want to hear, because it can be loud and it can be disturbing if you're not used to it.